Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Tango account using your phone number. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tango application on your device. And if you haven't logged in or signed up already, you will see the Continue with Google as well as the More button. Now in order to log in using your phone, just tap on the Continue with Phone option and you will be asked to enter your phone number. Just click on the drop-down menu before your phone number and then choose your country, and then you can enter your phone number that you used while signing up for your account. Now click on Continue once again and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to you through SMS. Just check your inbox and you will find this verification code. Just enter this verification code within the given screen and proceed forward. And now you will be logged in to your Tango account right away. And you can browse through the various different profiles that are available. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Tango account using your phone number. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.